Today I have taken a very beautiful poem, Vocation. In this poem, the child poet describes about the profession of a hawker, gardener and watchman. And he comes to the conclusion that all these persons enjoy tremendous freedom in their profession. Now the opening line of this poem is like this: when the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. When the child poet hears the sound of the big bell in the school at 10, he moves to his school by his lane. Every day I meet the hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. Every day the child poet meets the hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. There is no hurry, nothing hurry him on. There is no road he must take. The child poet also observes very closely that the hawker is not always in a hurry, and he does not take any definite road every day. He does not go to any definite place daily, and he has no fixed time to come back home. I wish I were a hawker spending my day in the road crying, bangles, crystal bangles. I wish the child poet wants to be a hawker because he wants to spend his day in the road crying, bangles, crystal bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from school, when at 4 o'clock in the afternoon he comes back from school, he can see through the gate of his house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. The child poet observes the gardener very closely, and he wants to do the work of a gardener because he sees that the gardener can do with his spade what he likes. He soils his clothes with dust, and nobody rebukes him, nobody scolds him if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So the poet in this line, the child poet says that he wants to be a gardener because he sees tremendous freedom in the vocation of the gardener, and nobody stops him from digging the ground. He can continue his work till he wants to do it. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. So when it grows dark in the evening, his mother asks him to go to bed. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. So the child poet says that he can see through his open window the watchman walking up and down. He can see the movements of the watchman through the window of his house. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. So the lane is dark. There is absolute darkness in the lane, and Nobody is loitering about in the lane. At that time, the street lamp looks like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman sings his lantern, walks with his shadow at his side. So the poet also observes all the activities of the watchman. He says that watchman has a lantern in his hand and he walks along with his shadow. And the poet also says that it seems to him that the watchman never take rest in his life. He never goes to his bed at night. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night. So the child poet wants to be a watchman so that he may get a golden opportunity of walking the street all the night, chasing the shadows with his lantern. So this is all about this poem.